everyone, in today's video we will see how to turn off GTA Plus recurring billing on PS5. Stop auto renewal subscription. So first, how to turn off GTA Plus recurring billing on PS5. To turn off GTA Plus recurring billing on PS5, you can go to the setting, select user and account. Now choose payment and subscription and then select subscription or game and app services to turn off auto renewal for GTA Plus. Because the PlayStation sometimes update its menu structures, the subscription can be hidden in one of two places depending on your console current software version. The method 1 via the standard subscription menu. You can turn on your PS5 and open the setting gear icon in the top right. Then select user and account. Now choose account and then click on payment and subscription. Then select subscription. Now locate the GTA Plus or Grand Theft Auto Online, the GTA Online from your list of services. Now click on it and select turn off auto renew or cancel the subscription. Method 2 via game and app services. If you do not see the GTA Plus listed in the main subscription menu, it is tucked away inside your active game data. Navigate back to the payment and subscription page. Then scroll below the subscription tab and select the game and app services. Now scroll through your list of games to find the Grand Theft Auto 6. Then select the GTA Plus membership from the drop down menu and choose turn off auto renew. The method 3 via web browser. If you prefer to cancel using a phone or computer, you can manage your membership directly through the official website. So you can head to the PlayStation account management portal and sign in. Now click on the subscription tab from the tab left hand side menu. Now locate the GTA Plus and click cancel. So goodbye and thanks for watching.